In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide price scale in Tradingview. If you want a cleaner workspace for screenshots, presentations, or simply to focus on price action without the distraction of numbers along the edge, this quick adjustment will do exactly that while keeping your data intact. First, open any chart. It can be a stock, crypto, forex pair, whatever you are analyzing. Make sure the main chart area is visible and you are not clicking on an indicator pane by accident. Once your chart is up, move your cursor over the chart area and right-click to open the context menu. From there, choose Settings. Depending on your version, it might appear as Chart Settings, but it's the same panel that controls your chart's look and feel. Inside the Settings window, navigate to the Canvas tab. Think of the canvas as the backdrop of your chart. This is where you control the visual elements that sit on top of the background, including the labels and text you see around the chart. Within the Canvas tab, look for the Text Color setting. This setting governs the color and visibility of general text on the chart, including the price labels and numbers on the price scale. Now, change the opacity of that text color to 0%. You can usually do this by dragging the opacity slider all the way to the left or entering 0% if an input field is available. Reducing the opacity to 0 makes the text fully transparent without altering the underlying data or your indicators. You'll notice immediately that the price labels and numbers on the side of the chart disappear, giving you a clean distraction-free edge. This is especially handy if you are sharing charts where the specific price levels aren't the focus, or you prefer a minimalist look for analysis. Take a moment to preview how it looks. Candles, lines, and drawings will remain exactly the same. You are only hiding the numerical labels. When you are happy with the result, click OK to apply the change and close the settings window. Your chart now displays without visible price labels or numbers along the scale, providing a streamlined appearance while preserving every bit of market information behind the scenes. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.